Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide
for Chevy GMC's 2007 to 13 Silverado and Sierra.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards.
Step 2. Remove the vehicle's bed. Step 3. Unbolt the shock with a 21mm socket. Measure the width of the frame to ensure that the frame rails don't shift after the crossmember has been cut. Step 4. Begin removing the crossmember. While ensuring to remove the brackets from the rails. Next, clean and grind the work area free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Spray the part and work area with a weld-through primer. Followed by installing the part by sliding the passenger side in first, and then the driver, while ensuring to put the inside frame sheet on the part before doing so. Begin welding the part in. Finally, reinstall your shock and the tank strap. And you're done.